December 2025. The heart of Russia was gripped by a biting winter, but the chill in the air was soon overshadowed by something far more electrifying. A new sound thundered across the vast Russian plains, one that sent shockwaves through military circles worldwide and echoed far beyond the borders of Russia. The Sukhoi Su-57, Russia's flagship stealth fighter, soared for the very first time with its long-awaited Su-177 engine, a technological marvel years in the making. At the controls was test pilot Roman Kondratyev. This was no routine test flight, it was a bold statement to the world, a demonstration of Russian engineering and ambition. For years, the Su-57's true potential was doubted, hampered by interim engines, technical hurdles, and repeated production delays. Critics questioned if Russia could ever deliver on its promise of a true fifth-generation fighter. But this flight changed everything. The world watched as the Su-57, powered by its new heart, signaled Russia's entry into the elite club of true fifth-generation fighters, aircraft that could shape the future of aerial combat. The Su-177 wasn't just an upgrade, it was the missing piece, unlocking supercruise, advanced stealth, and a leap in maneuverability. Suddenly, the Felon was no longer just a prototype, but a genuine threat. Defense ministries from Washington to Beijing scrambled to assess the implications. Intelligence analysts pored over footage, trying to gauge just how much the balance of power might shift. The Su-57, once dismissed as a mere prototype, was now a formidable reality, capable of challenging Western air dominance and rewriting the rules of engagement in the skies. Russian officials hailed the flight as proof of stable, reliable performance and a major milestone. The Felon was now ready for the next phase of rigorous testing and, soon, operational deployment. The world watched as the Felon, with its new engine, promised a dramatic shift in the balance of air power. For Russia, it was a moment of national pride and technological triumph. The roar over the test range was more than just noise, it was a warning. Russia's ambitions in aerial warfare were accelerating and the world would have to take notice. The Su-57 is the product of decades of Russian innovation, a homegrown answer to Western stealth fighters. Developed by Sukhoi, this fifth-generation jet represents the pinnacle of Russian aerospace engineering, blending lessons learned from past conflicts with cutting-edge technology. It's a symbol of Russia's determination to maintain air superiority in an era dominated by rapid technological change. Unlike its rivals, the Su-57 balances stealth with extreme agility and powerful sensors. While Western jets often prioritize low observability above all else, the Su-57 is designed to excel in both evasion and dogfighting, making it a versatile threat on any battlefield. Its blended wing-body design reduces radar signature, while internal weapons bays and radar-absorbent materials enhance survivability. These features allow the Su-57 to approach targets undetected and strike with precision, even in heavily defended airspace. But it's not just about being invisible. It's about striking first and hard. The Su-57 carries a diverse arsenal of advanced missiles and guided bombs, giving it the ability to engage both air and ground targets with lethal efficiency. The real standout is its super maneuverability, enabled by 3D thrust vectoring nozzles, allowing the Felon to outturn, outclimb, and outfight opponents in close combat. This agility gives Russian pilots a critical edge in dogfights, where split-second reactions can mean the difference between victory and defeat. Its advanced avionics, including distributed radar arrays, give pilots 360-degree awareness and electronic warfare dominance. The cockpit is packed with next-generation displays and controls, designed to reduce pilot workload and maximize situational awareness in the heat of battle. The Su-57 isn't just a fighter, it's a networked command post, built for the electronic battlefield of the 21st century. It can share data with other aircraft and ground forces, acting as a force multiplier in complex operations. Russia's doctrine, be stealthy enough to strike first and agile enough to win the fight, comes alive in the Su-57, a jet designed to dominate the skies and shape the future of aerial warfare. The Su-177 engine is the technological leap the Su-57 needed to fulfill its promise. Previous models relied on interim engines, limiting performance and stealth. The new engine, a clean-sheet design, delivers up to 35,000 pounds of thrust, enabling true supercruise and superior acceleration. Advanced composite materials and redesigned nozzles reduce radar and infrared signatures, making the Su-57 harder to detect and target. Enhanced dry thrust means sustained supersonic flight without afterburners, a critical edge in modern air combat. Durability was a key focus, promising longer service life and lower maintenance costs. For Russia and export customers, this means more time in the air and less in the hangar. The Izdeliye 177 isn't just about speed, it's about survivability, sustainability, and next-generation warfare. With the Izdeliye 177 engine, the Su-57's combat profile is dramatically transformed, pushing the boundaries of what a fifth-generation fighter can achieve. This advanced power plant gives the Felon a new edge, redefining its role in modern aerial warfare. Supercruise above Mach 1.5 lets it close on targets faster, spend less time in danger, and launch missiles with greater energy. Unlike older jets, the Su-57 can sustain supersonic speeds without afterburners, making it more efficient and harder to track. Combined with super maneuverability, the Felon can outmaneuver threats and dominate dogfights if stealth fails. Its thrust vectoring engines and advanced flight controls allow for extreme agility, giving pilots the upper hand in close combat. Reduced radar and infrared signatures make it a ghost on the battlefield, able to penetrate deep before detection. Its stealth design and special coatings help it slip past enemy sensors, increasing its survivability in hostile environments. Surprise becomes a force multiplier, allowing fewer aircraft to have a bigger impact. The ability to strike unexpectedly can disrupt enemy plans and shift the momentum of an entire battle. The Su-57 is built for contested airspace, where speed and stealth are survival. It's designed to operate where threats are everywhere, and only the most advanced jets can survive. If detected, its agility is a last line of defense. The Felon's quick reflexes and countermeasures give pilots a fighting chance even in the most dangerous situations. This synergy of speed, stealth, and maneuverability makes the Su-57 a true challenger to Western air dominance. It's not just about matching rivals, it's about setting new standards in aerial combat. The Felon is no longer just a concept, it's a lethal, survivable weapon system. Its presence on the battlefield signals a new era for Russian air power. The balance of power in the skies is shifting as the Su-57 redefines what it means to survive and dominate in the world's most dangerous airspaces. With its new engine proven, Russia is making a bold export push, targeting India as its premier partner. The Su-57E, the export variant, is at the heart of a strategic offer to reverse Russia's declining share in India's defense market. India, once a partner in the original FGFA project, withdrew over concerns about technology and pace. Now, Russia is offering unprecedented technology transfer, including source codes and local production rights. This aligns with India's Make in India initiative, promising jobs, industrial growth, and supply chain control. The deal could leapfrog India's aerospace industry into the fifth generation, with deep access to stealth, composites, and avionics. For both nations, it's more than a sale, it's a strategic partnership for the future. The Su-57E isn't just an export model, it's a flexible platform tailored for India's needs. Russia's offer includes retrofitting Su-57 tech into India's Su-30 MKI fleet, boosting hundreds of jets with advanced radar and avionics. This dual-track approach upgrades India's Air Force now, while new Su-57Es are built locally. For Russia, it cements long-term ties and ensures its tech remains central to India's air power. Russia also touts the Su-57's combat experience in Ukraine, marketing it as a battle-tested platform. Deep tech transfer, local production, and a fleet-wide upgrade path make the Su-57E a compelling choice for India's ambitions. It's not just an aircraft, it's a comprehensive solution for India's future air dominance. Despite its advances, the Su-57 program faces major hurdles. Production remains slow, with fewer than 3 dozen delivered to Russia's own air force. Competing against the F-35's global network and U.S. diplomatic muscle is a daunting task. Geopolitical risks loom large. Buyers like India risk U.S. sanctions under CAATSA for major Russian arms deals. Political and economic pressures force tough choices between security needs and Western ties. The Su-57 itself is still evolving, with ongoing upgrades and uncertainty about final export configurations. For Russia, securing a major export order, especially from India, is a crucial test. Success would validate the program, failure could relegate the Su-57 to a niche role. The world is watching to see if Russia can deliver on its promises. The Su-57, now powered by the Izdeliye 177, is no longer a prototype. It's a fully realized fifth-generation fighter. Its combination of speed, stealth, and agility challenges the West's long-held air superiority. The arrival of a peer competitor forces a global rethink of aerial strategy and tactics. The outcome of Russia's export push, especially with India, will define the Su-57's legacy. A deal with India would secure the program's future and open doors worldwide. Failure would limit its impact, but its technological achievements are undeniable. The Felon stands as a testament to Russian aerospace resilience and ambition. One thing is certain: the Su-57 has changed the landscape of modern aerial warfare.